अगर कोई लड़का ऐसे प्रपोज कर रहा है जो सीधा शादी के लिए बोल रहा है तो उससे जेन्युइन कोई हो नहीं सकता. बेटा हाँ बोल दो. सो आई सेड yes like in 15 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah.
एंड हम बॉयफ्रेंड्स बेचारे कैसे फंस जाते हैं, कैसे सैंडविच हो जाते हैं.
Oh please yeah.
You know, right? So
Valentine's Day is here, and to talk about this lovely day, we have a lovely couple with us, and that's Sanjay Gagnani and Poonam Preet. Guys, welcome to spotbar.com.
thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Sanjay and Poonam, to know more about your love story, I have prepared a set of questions, and so that we come to know which we are not aware of. So, firstly, tell me who showed the interest in this relationship and how?
And how? Okay. So I came across the pictures on Facebook, and I found her very attractive, very photogenic. So I just added her.
Okay.
So I added her, and she accepted my request. And we started chatting. We started speaking on the phone. So gradually, I could feel that connect. I could feel that vibe, that positive vibe. And then she came to Mumbai from Delhi.
Okay.
And the moment I went to the airport to pick her up, and the moment I saw her, it was love at first sight.
Poonam, what sort of vibe were you getting when he was chatting with you or sent the request?
Initially I was like, okay, he's an actor, I should trust him or not, because I was in Delhi doing modeling, and I was like, I don't know, my friends were like, just don't trust him, yeah, he's an actor, you don't know. मैंने कहा, but I don't know, I'm getting a very good vibes from him, I think I should talk to him, let me just know him better, and then I decide why I being so judgmental. So then we talked with each other, and then I decided to come to Mumbai. I want to see him personally. Then I came to Mumbai. I saw him for the first time at the airport, and that was love at first sight for me too. So yeah.
How was the proposal?
How was the proposal? So when she came to Mumbai from Delhi, she spent a week here in the city. And after a week she was flying back to Delhi, and that's when I feel something weird that I cannot explain the feeling that I had for her at that time, but I felt very weird the way she was flying back to her city. It felt as if she's not going to come back, and she's going away from my life. So that's when I decided. I didn't even decide. I just proposed her at the airport when she was flying back, and I went to drop her at the airport.
Was it an immediate yes from your end?
No. So the thing is, he proposed me in front of so many people. He went on his knees, and everybody was like just looking at. And I was a little embarrassed also, but I was a little happy also. Ki, oh my God, all the attention I'm getting here. So first, I was shocked. So बहुत सारे mixed feelings थे. But then it's like, okay, लोग पहले तो इसने propose भी ऐसे किया था. Generally, people say, I like you, I love you, and will you be my girlfriend? And he's like, will you marry me? So it was a shock for me. How you can be so sure like in a week. So it's like, okay, give me some time. But then I thought कि अगर कोई लड़का ऐसे प्रपोज कर रहा है जो सीधा शादी के लिए बोल रहा है तो उससे जेन्युइन कोई हो नहीं सकता. बेटा हाँ बोल दो. So I said yes like in 15 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now when you guys are together since a long time, what changes is there any changes between you guys which you have discovered with time?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, a lot of changes.
Not just a relationship, but I believe every person, every individual grows, and since change is inevitable.
Right.
Not just every bond, every relationship grows or changes with time. So our relationship has also changed for good.
Yeah.
We also as people have changed for good. And all I can say is our relationship has grown since the time we have started, our relationship.
Okay, tell me the biggest complaint which a couple has कि एक दूसरे को time नहीं दे पा रहे हैं. As you both are actors and working, so कैसे manage करते हैं in this hectic schedule? How do you guys manage to spend time with each other?
So we have never complained, or I should say, we have no such complaints from each other. We don't spare time because we have been in a live-in relationship
Right.
since I proposed to her. So you know how live-in relationships are. You are you are with each other when you're not shooting, when you're not working, because we both actors. We work for different projects. That is the only time we're not with each other.
Okay.
But after pack up and before leaving for the set, we're always together. So thankfully, we have no such complaints in our lives.
Yeah, and sometimes like if I miss him, so I go to his sets, and sometimes if it's vice versa, if I'm doing and he misses
Sometimes,
me, so
like
some it's very rare,
it's very rare because
very rare.
Hmm.
जब हम बहुत ज्यादा मिस कर रहे होते हैं एक दूसरे को तब हो जाता है.
Okay, as you guys said कि आप लोग लिव इन में रह रहे हो साथ में, so 5 लोगों के नाम आप दोनों को बताने हैं एक दूसरे के जो सबसे क्लोजेस्ट है. मतलब पूनम प्रीत के क्लोज कौन है वो 5 शख्स आपके अलावा?
तो हमारे कॉमन ही है. ओके,
फिर भी बताओ.
फिर भी मैं बताऊं.
हाँ बताओ.
Okay.
I will say right or wrong. Okay.
Abhishek Kapoor,
Right.
Zan Khan,
Right.
Nupur Senan,
Right.
Wasim Bhai,
Right.
and me, Poonam.
But obvious.
Okay, Aditi Sharma.
Right.
Aditi.
Right.
Yeah.
Now,
How can I forget? Buddy. Yeah.
now it's your turn.
My turn. Nupur,
Yeah.
Zan,
Yeah.
Sanjida,
Yeah.
Sanchita.
Yeah.
Am I forgetting someone? I'm really sorry.
No, I think that's it. That's it. That's it.
Fifth,
मैं नहीं और
me.
That's it. Okay.
Sapna.
right.
फेवरेट हाउसहोल्ड कोड एक दूसरे का बताना है.
Favorite household core. I love to order groceries online. So I ask her to make it and just give it to me, and I'm the one who orders all the groceries.
And sometimes I cook for him.
Yeah,
Okay.
sometimes. Like once in a month.
No, not once in a month. Yeah.
Okay, I'll give you proof next time by
Okay,
capturing a video
Done.
with dates.
Done. Please do that.
Okay. So again आपको एक दूसरे का बताना है चॉइस. It's a her favorite hangout place.
Her favorite hangout place. Any place that has a good ambience and a shisha would become a favorite place.
His favorite place? His favorite hangout place.
Seriously,
I don't know.
you have to think.
Yeah. Because you know.
I'll say.
No. Because I feel he's very moody, and sometimes he does club hopping. So I'm not sure.
Yeah. So my favorite places are those places which have loud music.
Oh, huh.
Amazing
of course,
ambience
yeah. I
and-
said club hopping.
So you said sometimes he club hops. So I love clubbing. I love going to places that have loud music, amazing ambience, where everyone is dancing and living life to the fullest.
Okay. A holiday destination Poonam loves to visit.
Anywhere, any place that has beautiful mountains.
Yeah, I love mountains.
And what about
And
him?
Goa or
any
Maldives.
beach destination.
Beach
I'm a
destination.
water
He's a
baby.
water baby. Yeah.
So any place that
Any
has
beach
water,
destination.
I'm sorted for life.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's a mountain and water combination, like sea and water.
Yeah.
Okay, her favorite movie.
A favorite movie. A favorite movie. कौन सी है favorite movie?
बहुत सारी हैं.
बहुत सारी है. No favorite movie.
Yeah, there
I've
are.
never, because I've never seen her watching a particular film twice or thrice. If she would have, then I would have gauged that, yeah, this is a favorite movie.
The last film I watched 4-5 times was Kabir Singh.
Kabir Singh. So, Kabir Singh.
नहीं, हाँ, just like that. ऐसे.
अच्छा.
शायद.
What is Sanjay's favorite movie?
जब भी met.
मेरे को बोलने थे ना.
तो thinking.
But बहुत सारी है ना. Sometimes you like Rockstar also.
Oh yeah, Rockstar. Also.
Then see.
Okay, chalo.
Yeah.
Okay, chalo. Let's make it little easier. So Poonam, what is his favorite car?
Favorite car? I think उसके पास already है Audi.
And what is his? Okay, what is his favorite sport?
Basketball.
What is her favorite perfume? Her favorite perfume.
Her favorite. Her favorite.
नहीं पता.
I know. Elizabeth.
No.
No? Okay.
What Elizabeth?
Elizabeth something.
See? No, actually, इसकी मेरे पास बहुत सारे perfumes है, so उसको नहीं पता है कि मेरा favorite कौन है.
But your present one is some Elizabeth something, no?
Elizabeth Arden,
See,
yeah.
I'm a good observer.
Yeah.
Gucci.
Okay, who is your favorite singer?
My favorite singer.
Her favorite singer.
Her favorite singer. Her favorite singer. Arijit. Singh. Atif Aslam.
Atif.
Atif Aslam.
Okay, so this question.
And mine?
अरे यार, come on. I have.
मुझे-
Okay. Please answer. Poonam, come on,
नहीं,
tell. Poonam, come on.
yeah.
Tell me who is his favorite singer?
मेरी importance ही नहीं.
His favorite singer Mohit Chauhan or Arijit Singh.
My favorite singer is
Mohit Chauhan is and Arijit.
Atif Aslam. Atif Aslam.
Okay.
I didn't know who. You also like Atif. Okay.
Okay, now these questions are common. जिसको भी पहले आंसर देना है वो दे सकता है. So first is who cracks bad jokes?
ना मुझसे ज्यादा तो तू बुरे नहीं. I think हम दोनों same है. Both are same.
Yeah. We compete each other
Yeah,
when
we
it comes to
compete.
PJs.
Yeah.
Okay, who's more lazy?
1,000 times.
ये बता उसने. She just asked who is more lazy. You don't have to just tell.
Okay, I'm
कि how
not at all elf.
Okay, who snores a lot?
Do I?
Yeah.
I think very tired and
But yeah.
sleep
Very
deprived.
badly.
Oh God, you don't have to show it. You don't do it and show.
Okay.
Oh no, that's not in our hands. When you're sleeping, nothing.
I can understand. But the way she mimicked you was amazing. Okay.
I'll video thing next time.
Oh please.
Okay, who is shopaholic amongst you guys?
Both.
Who takes more time to get ready?
I no
Yeah.
no.
आपके
Whenever-
बाल बनने में 5 घंटे लगते हैं.
No. Whenever
Yeah.
whenever we have to go out,
This guy.
it is always me who
No.
has been waiting
No.
for her to get ready.
No, I
and-
have proof. I have
Even I have a proof of a video.
No.
You remember that video
वो
that
तो
we
तुमने
made?
मुझसे पैसे देके बना ली थी.
Yeah, so it's
No.
100% it's
Yeah.
her.
Okay, who's the cleanliness freak?
This he.
Cleanliness is next to godliness.
Yeah, that's true. Okay, last question. Who is always on phone? Difficult.
Sorry.
Okay, so who is always on phone? I'm still confused. You or him?
No,
Okay.
he.
So in short, both of you are always on phone.
No.
Both of us always on the phone.
Guys, you got engaged last year, and people are obviously waiting. When you people are planning to tie the knot.
So we were planning to tie the knot last year.
Okay.
Last year passed away in the pandemic itself.
Yeah.
So we didn't want this by inviting people for a public gathering.
Right.
So probably when all of us would get our first dose of the vaccine, that would be the day when we would announce the wedding date, because we want the elders to take risk
Yeah.
and attend our wedding where there would be at least 250 people.
Yeah. What sort of wedding you guys want to do? It would be a small intimate affair, or it will be a larger than life, or on a grand scale. What sort of wedding?
Honestly, all depends on the families. I think we're leaving it to them. But if I had a choice,
Yeah.
I would want to do a court marriage and then travel the world rather than spending it
Spending
on
it.
No,
spending it for a fat Indian
I
wedding.
want a big fat Indian wedding.
Okay. So what sort of functions, Poonam? I'm sure, as you said, ki I want a big fat Indian wedding. What sort of functions attracts you the most? Do you like attending it?
I think Sangeet cocktail. I mean, Sangeet cocktails are the best function, and मुझे बड़ा मजा आता है लोगों के संगीत फंक्शन में भी जाने में. So I'm looking forward कि मेरा संगीत cocktail कब होगा.
So before we conclude, I would really like to know दोनों में से convince कौन किसको करेगा कि court marriage कर लेते हैं या big fat wedding कर लेते हैं? कौन कामयाब होगा इसमें?
Obviously, मैं
Being a
क्योंकि-
girl, you know how good they are, right?
Right.
You know how good they are at getting their boyfriends. And हम boyfriends बेचारे कैसे फंस जाते हैं, कैसे sandwich हो जाते हैं.
Oh please, यार.
You know, right? So I rest my.
Okay. Would you like to share some message for the fans on this Valentine's Day?
Just wanted to say Happy Valentine's Day and keep spreading love, keep spreading positivity, stay safe, and love you all.
Happy Valentine's Day. Spread love, spread happiness, spread positivity, and this day is an opportunity for you guys to express your love, your affection for anyone that you want to, and not just not just your boyfriend or your girlfriend, not just your lover, not just your husband or your wife, but you can express your love to your mother, to your sisters, to your father, anyone in the family. It's a day of love, so spread love.
Thank you so much, guys. It was fun talking to you.
Same here.
Thank you.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy
You
Valentine's
too.
Day, Nikki.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.